Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome to the PMDC online lecture room. Dear students, today my topic is simple harmonic motion. A simple harmonic motion, a motion in which acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement of a body from mean position and is always directed towards the mean position. First point you must keep in mind, it is that motion in which there is a relationship between acceleration and displacement. That is, acceleration and displacement, they are both in direct relation with each other, and also the acceleration is always directed towards mean position. Mathematically, acceleration is directly proportional to x. A stands for acceleration, x stands for displacement, and negative sign indicates that acceleration is directed towards the mean position. The negative sign shows that the acceleration and displacement, they are both oppositely directed. Examples of simple harmonic motion: mass spring system, simple pendulum, as you are shown on the left hand side of the screen, mass spring system and a simple pendulum. Mass spring system. Consider a mass spring system. One side of the spring is attached with a hard rigid body and the other side with the mass m. As you are in the following diagram, mass spring system, one end is fixed, other is a free end, and on the free end a mass is attached and is placed on a horizontal frictionless surface. Force from the diagram, force that is applied to the spring is directly proportional to the displacement. That is, there is a relationship between force and displacement. In the diagram, this force is a stretching force. There are two types of force, either outward force or inward force. This is an outward force or this is an stretching force. As a result, length of the spring increases. If the spring is unstretched, then there is no net force on the mass or the system is in equilibrium. If the mass is displaced from equilibrium by an external applied force, the spring will exert a restoring force, which is a force that tends to restore it to the equilibrium position. That force, restoring force, dear students, that force which brings the body back to its mean position, that is called restoring force, or bring to its equilibrium position. Mathematically, F is equal to minus kx. Proof. Let us consider a mass m attached to the end of an elastic spring which can move freely from frictionless horizontal surface as shown. When displaced towards the right through a distance x, the force at that instance is given by the Hooke's law. According to the Hooke's law, there is a relationship between force and displacement as on the right hand side of the diagram. Mass spring system, a mass is attached to the spring. One end of the spring is a fixed end, other end is a free end, and the free end, a body of mass m, is attached. When the force is applied towards the right, the length of the spring increases. That is a stretching force. And when displaced toward the right, distance x, the force at that instant is given by the Hooke's law, that is equal to F is equal to kx. Since you are applying a force on that spring, and according to the Hooke's law, force produces displacement, and there is a direct relationship between force and displacement. So F is equal to kx. This is from the Hooke's law. Due to where k is constant of proportionality and is called spring constant. It depends upon spring constant, dear students. Spring constant, it depends upon nature of the spring and it depends upon the number of turns of the spring. Third point, due to its elasticity, spring has the property of elasticity. Spring opposes that applied force, and that force is called restoring force, which is equal and opposite to the applied force. Dear students, elasticity When a force is applied on a body and after removing the force, the body comes back to its original position, that property of the body that is called elasticity. The spring has the property of elasticity because an external applied force is applied, and as a result the spring opposes that applied force, and that force that is called restoring force, and which is equivalent to opposite applied force. So restoring force FRS is equal to minus kx. This is your equation number 1. The acceleration produced in the mass m due to restoring force can be calculated from the Newton's second law of motion. Dear students, since we are applied an external force on the body of mass m, and according to the Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. This is your equation number 2. Comparing equation 1 and equation 2, that is restoring force is compared with the Newton's second law of motion force, that is minus kx is equal to ma. Or dividing m on both sides, or a is equal to minus k by mx. K is the spring constant, it is a constant value. M is the mass which is attached, it is also constant quantity. So a is directly proportional to minus x. Minus k by m, they are both constant quantities. So a is directly proportional to minus x. That is, there is a relationship between acceleration and displacement. They are both in direct proportion to each other. Assignment: give some examples of simple harmonic motion. Make MCQs. Thank you very much. If you have any suggestions or any queries, please, you are given the email address and you are given the WhatsApp number. Thank you very much. So nice of you.